3 steps to teaching the OI vowel teams without tears. The first step is to directly teach the rule for the OI, OI, and the OY, OI. These are the 2 ways that the OI sound is represented in the English language. OI goes in the middle when we hear the OI, and the OY goes at the end when we hear it in a word. For this activity, I'm going to use these 2 boards. You can find these on my Amazon storefront. They come in a set, and I'll link it down below so you can check it out. Step 2 is to take it back to just listening to the sounds. I like to get out magnetic cubes just like this because it helps kids see how the sounds and the letters work together and gets them ready to understand that 2 letters are working together to make 1 sound. That's where this is really powerful, especially if we've been doing that phonemic awareness. So, for instance, let me start with the word boy. B-oy, boy. Ooh, I heard the B, and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter B. So I'm going to put a B in the first box. This is step number 3. I have taken us to the step where we're now representing the sounds with the actual letters. So we have the B, and I hear that OI, it's at the end. And what do I know about the OI sound at the end of a word? I know that it's going to be the OY. So I'm going to put the OY together in the 1 box because they're working together to say the OI sound. Remember, each box only represents 1 sound, and that's why we started with our cube. My 4th step is to blend it. B-oy, boy. Oh, boy. Thumbs up. And practicing this over and over again will get them ready to recognize these patterns as they're reading in text. Let's take a look at what this would look like for the OI. Remember, the rule for OI is that says OI in the middle of a word. So going back to the 2nd step in our 4-step process, we already know the rule. Now we're going to go ahead and listen to the sounds. The word is boil. B, oy, oh, boil. I'm going to go right into that 3rd step where I am now connecting the sounds to the letters. I heard the B, and that's the sound that goes with the letter B. Notice I say that's the sound that goes with the letter B because B doesn't actually say B. All right, B, oy. Ooh, I hear OI in the middle. And I know that the OI in the middle is written with the O and the I. So I'm going to put O and I in the middle box because they're working together to say the same sound. Boil. Ooh, what sound do I hear at the end? I hear the O, and that's the sound that goes with the letter L. Now we go to our last step. B, oy, ooh. Blend it, boil. And of course, when you're working with your child, you're going to have them do a lot of the interaction and the talking too. So you won't need to be doing that the whole time and talking. But in any case, those are the 4 steps to learning how to teach the OI and the OY without tears. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for weekly phonics and reading inspiration and homeschool conversation. I'll see you next time when I teach to your learning strengths, 1 child and family at a time.